Hey guys, Devin Anthony here, Airstream of Buffalo. Today, if you're seeing this on my website, airstreambuffalo.com or coltonrv.com, this is still available, okay? This is a 2022 Basecamp 20X. Just took it in, it's a fresh trade, single owner. It is in amazing shape. I'm super excited to show you guys. It's just a quick little walkthrough video on it. If you have any questions, give me a call, 716-748-5565. That's my personal cell, so please be respectful. I'm here on the East Coast. Don't call me after 9 or 10 o'clock at night. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough on the outside, show you the condition of this thing. It, again, is in amazing shape. So around the front, you obviously have your stainless steel rock guards, no dings, no dents. Solar guards, still in amazing shape. Coming around, you will have your propane shroud, you have your extension on the bottom there, and underneath you got your propane tank, still good, no rust, no no corrosion or anything like that. Being that it's used and it's a 2022, you still have your crank style on here. It's very easy. If you do want to upgrade, we can put a power tongue jack on there for you. My parts department is fantastic. We'll be able to get you taken care of. Your liquid propane, quick disconnect is right there. You still have your full-size tire underneath. Again, this is it's a single owner. They bought it from us back in 2022, brand new. They took it on a few trips and then upgraded into a world traveler. So coming around the side, again, no dents, no dings, no scratches. Great shape on the outside, very well taken care of. You still have your nice little outside storage, right? All the gaskets are still in great shape. You have a little bit of, your propane hose there for you. Locks up real nice. I do love the fact that in 2022, they still already were using the smart plug right there. So that helps out when it comes to, instead of twisting it on, you just have the click in. Sewage tanks, gate valves, operating as they should. I'm not gonna mess with anything more than I need to. I don't know if this was taken care of, winterized or de-winterized yet, so I don't want to mess with it. Tires, still got plenty of tread on them. You do have the older style wheels with a pop of color, right? The new 2026s, they are going to be coming with those black wheels. This one still has the aluminum wheels on there. Personally, I think well-rounded, balances it out. Your furnace does have those little critter screens on there. Unfortunately, I don't have my keys, so I can't show you. But you have hot, cold water on the outside. Again, critter guard over this. You have your water inlets. Everything is operating as it should. Potable water, outdoor shower. Around the back, everything's in great shape still, right? Doors are sealed tight. Exactly what you would expect from a used Airstream that's only a few years old. Now, they did give us a couple of little goodies with this one. One being these mattresses, and I'll go over them when we're inside. But as you leave the bed in its bed state, if you wanted to leave it, those mattress toppers, they come in clutch. Moving around, right? Just looking at the overall condition. It is, again, it's great. Coming on the inside of the Basecamp. First things first, the dinette up front, very spacious. You have extra sleeping room up here, right? The dinette swivels around. You can get in, get out. Seating everywhere with moving this around. Really great design on that. The Basecamp is designed to be able to be versatile and maneuverable and still offer you plenty of amenities. The quality itself is always going to be there. So one of those things, right? Suburban appliances, so you're getting a Suburban water heater, you're getting a Suburban cooktop. The sink itself in here has a drying rack as well as this custom wood insert. So you can still, use water. The original one is still with it. If you do want that one, that's totally fine. All of your cabinetry, your frosted black fronted. You have your silverware still. I mean, obviously it's used. It's a few years old at this point. But if I didn't tell you and you didn't know any better, you would never guess that this thing was used. It's amazing. And not for nothing, you're getting a great deal on this thing, right? So plenty of storage underneath. I want to show you guys the bathroom real quick, just to show you the space and size. You do have the teak wood insert on the bottom here. You got your toilet, your shower itself, you know, hooks right onto there. Hot, cold water. You have porcelain toilet. You have that. Like, I'm 6 foot, 200 pounds. It's plenty of room, plenty of space. And then you will have, obviously, your exhaust fan in here as well. Turns right on, closes up. You have your drying line, clothesline right there that comes across. Tightens that back down. Now, in the back, pardon me while I just kind of move this out of the way. I'm gonna go right here. They're a little heavy because they're high quality foam. But in the back here, you've got a really nice workable kind of space, right? You can take these out and load gear through. You have your securing shackle points right there. You're gonna have 4 of them throughout. So 2 in the kitchen area and then 2 back here. This will convert to a full, almost a king size bed. It's 82 by 74, I think it is, when it's fully set up. And then with those mattress toppers, it's a great option. Your air conditioner is a dump type AC, so that's going to be a Coleman Mach with a heat pump. So you have a furnace and electric heat off of that. Your Suburban control for your thermostat is right there. This does have solar, so you can see I have 115, 114 watts of solar coming through. And then obviously your tank level gauges. You get your fresh, gray, and black. Back in here, another monitor for your AC, and USBs, plenty of storage. Yeah, I mean, like I said, this is going to be a really quick video, just kind of showing you guys the condition of this. If you want to call and schedule an appointment to come see it in person, my number was at the beginning of the video. Devin Anthony here, Airstream Buffalo. Thanks for your time.